It's summer vacation! No school, no homework, just fun!
Fun! You mean adventure? Let's fly around the world! Where should we go first? Where are we now? How about Egypt? High to the pyramids and camels. Where are we now? Welcome to the Swiss Alps. Time to ski. This jungle is awesome. Look at all the animals.